talk about, and one of them is the proximity principle. Is basically this, this thing when we get jobs based on references. So, it's a like this vicious circle when you get one job that you don't want, and then you get another one which is just like it because you have a reference from the one before. And my advice would be just go and win clients that you want to work with in the future. Like, for example, in the beginning when I started out, we launched a VR AR company in 2016, I guess, with a friend. And basically what we wanted to do was that if you bought a home, or if you were building a home, then we would provide just a virtual reality tour of that home before it was built, right? So you had plans for your home, you wanted to see how it would look like, and we provided that. Basically we modeled the home, you could walk through it with the VR glasses and everything. You walked through it before it was even built, and you could then change the plans and so on. We went to Ljubljana to pitch this idea to a couple of companies that build homes, modular homes. And there was this conference in Ljubljana, so we went there and we talked to 4 or 5 sellers. And basically what happened was they threw us out of the conference, like literally. And the problem was we were disturbing their sales processes. So, they were so busy selling those 5 homes a year that, they just didn't see the opportunity. And we were pretty desperate, basically, not because we didn't get the refund for the tickets, but because we had a pretty great service that nobody wanted to buy. And so we said, well, let's go to America, like you do. And well, that's exactly what we did. We went to the US. We sold our first VR project I think less than a month after that, because that tells you something about trends, right? I mean, VR was trending big time in 2016. Basically, the companies couldn't keep up with the market demand. And, there were these Slovenian guys who did it for half the price, so result. And basically, what we didn't do, we didn't sell a home VR experience. We did like a marketing VR experience, so something a company could promote at a conference. And every next job, basically this job, like to the next one and to the next one and to the next one in France and the UK and China and then Norway and so on. And they were all presentations for marketing, basically marketing presentations, because that's where we started and that's what snowballed. So when you get the first reference, just keep that ball rolling. Just you have this snowball effect. But that's the thing. You have to strategically attack people that you want to work with in the future, not just take any job that gets your way.